Hello guys, you're welcome to Trading Wealth. In today's video, I'm gonna do a kind of overview of what we'll be expecting in this very upcoming week, which remains few minutes for us to enter. Okay, so before we do that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, please, and please subscribe and click the like button to help me reach out more and more people who are eager to learn out there. So quickly, let's work on the chart. So guys, if you see what is happening right now in the market, you see that the 4 hours time frame of volatility 75 is doing a kind of retesting. Okay, the market is doing a retesting. The market is doing a retesting. It did it here, it broke up at this very point and is doing it down. So what are we expecting? Okay, in that scenario, let's try and see what it has been doing for a long time. So this is our 3x. Okay, I zoomed in 3x. So if you watch this, you will see that the market has been in an uptrend with a series of higher lows. You see that? With a series of higher lows. So the market has been in an uptrend for the past days now. So and it's doing this with a support and resistance of trend line. Okay. If we try and work on this, we'll be getting something of this very nature. We'll be having something of this very nature. Okay, so this is what we'll be expecting to have. Are we expecting in this very week? Sorry, so that is the big question. What are we expecting? What are we knowing that the market will give to us? So having drawn this and seen what the market, let's try to get the upside. So guys, if we're trying to get the upside here, I think we'll be having something of this nature. I think this is what we'll be having in a GP. Okay, this is what we'll be having. So the market has broke this very support. The market has broke this very resistance up here and is retesting. So we're expecting it to come here. Okay, but probably before it does that, we might have a kind of retesting at this very point here. We might have a retesting when it gets to this very point here. We might have a kind of retesting up back to this very point before it will now blow down. Okay, so I will advise that you look at to short the market. Volatility 75, I will look at for a short after the retesting. So we'll be expecting a retesting at this very place. At this very point, we'll be expecting a retesting upward. Okay, and the retesting should be giving us something of this nature. So at this very juncture now, we'll be having a retesting here and expect it to break down to this very place. That is in volatility 75. So that is in volatility 75. So short the market. It's true that it has been in an uptrend, but if you see what I'm seeing from my own strategy, from how I trade, and from what we're using to kill the market, it has gone to an oversold level. So there is a tendency for it to break down. Okay, so that is that. So you'll be looking for an opportunity in your 15 minutes. If you can be able to get an opportunity in 15 minutes, you short the market. Okay, so that is in volatility 75. Let's look at other volatility indices. So the next we have here is volatility 100 index. Let's quickly go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, if we are going to the 4 hours time frame, guys, in a broad view, this is what is happening in the market. The market is doing a kind of ranging. The market is doing a kind of ranging. The market went up, broke this previous resistance, turned to support, and got to this level. Okay, the upward movement got to an overbought level here, and right now, as you can see, it's retesting downward. The market is retesting, and it has also broke this level. Okay, if you notice something, you see that when the market moved down, when the market was moving down, it came to these very points and retest back it came and broke it down to this very point right now. So there is a toggling, there is a toggling that is occurring at this point. Now when it broke it the first time down, it went back again, retest it, and now it's going down. So we're expecting it to break more down, probably to somewhere here. Okay, then I'm also expecting a kind of retesting again at this very point, which will go a little bit up and continue going down. So this is the place we're expecting it. Okay, so the volatility 100 index. So in 15 minutes time frame, you're gonna look out for an opportunity to short the market. Okay, and as I'm already seeing that opportunity, because at this very price I'm seeing a build up. Okay, this build up will give us a breakout, okay, which might occur very soon. So if you know what you are doing in the market, you should be making profit from this very market, because from my perspective, the market is still gonna go down more. The volatility 100 is gonna go down more. So what I do is from what I trade and how I trade. It doesn't mean that it's a general view. Everybody might have their own different view, different analysis of what they do. Okay, guys. So I'm just trying to explain to you how I do and what I do and what I'm expecting, so you can have a different view. I'm not against that. Okay. And remember, this is indices. Anything can happen. So guys, that is that on volatility 100 index. So I'm going short on that this very week. That's on that. Trading requires you to learn. Trading requires you yourself. Okay. If you are following up price action, I think that you need to learn more of support and resistance very, very well. It's very, very important, and it's gonna help you. So see you guys. Remember, if a little, if it contributes to you a little, okay guys, and like the video, comment what you'll be requesting from me by this time next week in our next week analysis. Okay, so that I will know the area you find it difficult, and I'll make the video and explain it more better. Okay guys, see you in the market and see you winning. Remember to subscribe. Away.